Focus, get under. Oh my God.
I don't think this is a good idea, guys.
Why? It's fine. We can do it.
I don't think this is a good idea.
It's fine.
Alright.
Go.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh, see, look. Yo, do it again. Do how you should do it on your stomach.
Okay. Okay. Wait, without the blanket or?
Without the blanket.
Alright, good.
Let me see if you can still go down fast.
Okay.
No, you used to go feet first, boy. You don't not head first. What's wrong with you?
What do you mean? Like this?
No, the other way.
Like this.
Remember? Not on your back, boy. Show him, Chris.
Oh, okay.
You gotta watch your little nuts. Yeah, you got hung up, didn't you?
You got 19, right?
You want to see us do it under?
Right.
And then you're gonna do any stunt? Which one?
I got it in Miami. I got it in Miami.
Dad, want to see us do it?
All right.